In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect MongoDB to n8n. If you're new to it, n8n is a powerful workflow automation tool that lets you connect different applications and automate tasks. By integrating MongoDB, you can unlock advanced data automation, querying, and record management. Let's get started. First, head over to the n8n website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, the sign-up process is quick and straightforward. Once logged in, you'll land on the n8n dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your workflows. From here, click Create Workflow to start a new automation. This opens the Workflow Editor, an empty canvas where you'll build your automation using nodes. To connect MongoDB, click the plus icon to add a new node. In the search bar, type MongoDB. When the MongoDB node appears, click it to add it to your workflow. Next, you'll need to configure the MongoDB connection. This usually requires your MongoDB connection string, which includes database username, password, host or server address. Make sure these credentials are correct, as they are essential for a successful connection. Once configured, your MongoDB node is ready. You can now perform actions such as querying data, inserting documents, updating or deleting records, all directly within your n8n workflow automations. That's it. By connecting MongoDB to n8n, you can build powerful data-driven automations and streamline your back-end processes. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!